In this guide, I will show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on Gmail or Play Store. First method is to turn off flight mode and check internet connection. Just ensure that your airplane mode is turned off, so turn it on and then off and check you have a reliable internet connection. Second method is to clear the Gmail's app data and cache. Long press on the Gmail app and click the I or Info button. Select Storage and then go to Clear Data and then Clear Cache. And then in App Permissions, go to Notifications and turn on the option of Allow Notifications and then select all the permission and allow Gmail all the permissions that it needs. And then go back and try with the number. And the third and last method, if this number is still not working, you have to change your phone number. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.